Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Marg Erp Solutions. Today we will tell you about how to set my menu user-wise in Marg software. Firstly, go to Masters option. Then click to Password Powers option and then click to Operator option. A Password Authority window will appear. Select the user to make desired changes and press Enter. A Powers window will appear in which the user will select Search and All. A Powers window will appear, in which the user will search My Menu. Now click on Accept option. A My Menu window will appear. In Marg menu, M means all, F for My Own Menu, H for Hotkeys, B for My Menu Hotkeys option. The user will select F. In if F for My Menu Run Default Menu Automatically option, the user will mention the serial number of the menu which need to be opened directly while open the software. Suppose the user wants to directly open Sale Bill and while creating My Menu Sale Bill was on the first number, so here the user needs to mention 1, for now skip it. Now the user will press ESC key, again press ESC key, and click on Yes to save the changes. A Want to Change My Menu window will appear. If the user needs to change the created menu, then select Yes, otherwise keep the option as No. Suppose select No. Now the user press ESC key and then click on Yes option. Now for re-login, the user will press Ctrl U key on the main screen. A Change User window will appear in which the user will enter the user ID and password. A Change User window will appear in which the user will press ESC key. After following the above steps, the user can create user-wise My Menu in Marg software. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you want to see more, check out our other videos on the screen right now. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions, suggestions, or just want to say anything, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you. Follow us on our YouTube channel for more content and updates. Until next time, stay awesome and keep creating. Thanks again for watching.